In case you didn't know, the Food and Drug Administration is going to be cracking down hard on JUUL in the near future. They already went to JUUL headquarters and seized thousands of pages of documents as part of an investigation into whether or not JUUL has been marketing their products to teenagers. Since April, several lawsuits have been filed on behalf of teens over JUUL's deceptive marketing practices. All of this points to the fact that this could be the beginning of the end for one of the most popular e-cigarettes on the market. But since the FDA is probably going to be coming for your JUUL, you should get an ABAY instead. And guess who just so happens to be the sponsor of this video? Hey, what's good? Welcome back to InformOverload. We're gonna do something a little bit different for this video because ABAY has sent us an amazing package and we're gonna unbox it right now. But before I unbox this package, I wanna say that if you're not of legal smoking age, this video is not for you. So just like, click away unless you want to see my pretty face. Vaping is not in any way for people underage. It contains nicotine. Nicotine is addictive. But if you are of legal smoking age and you want to start up vaping, ABAY is definitely a company you want to look into. Alright, I'm excited to open this box. Okay, are you ready? It's like a really nice box. Oh my god, cool. Okay, so they sent us 5 flavors. So we've got dessert. They've got like Girl Guide cookies on it. I think I'm most excited for that one. Melon ice, mint, and mango. And also tobacco, but like I'm honestly not missing the taste of tobacco since I quit smoking, so probably not gonna be using that one. I don't know, we'll see. I gotta see how it tastes. And of course, they sent us an ABAY, and it's actually personalized. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Let's zoom in on that. It's a personalized I/O information overload on the side. So cool. Charging cable, and they also gave us a little portable charging case, so when you're out and about, just make sure your case is charged. If I can open it. Oh, there we go. That's how we open it. That's good. Okay, and then you just stick your little ABAY in there and close it up, and it's charging right now. So that whole problem with being like out and about and having a dead vape or like asking random people to charge your vape for you, I've definitely done that more times than I can count. That's not gonna happen. As long as your case is charged, you've got a charger as you go. So a little about ABAYs. They're compact just like JUUL's, and they're super sleek and small and discreet. Like, I mean, look how small that is. It's like, it's so small compared to my other vape. ABAYs have a super compact battery, and the pods are more than twice the capacity of JUUL pods, as in they have way more e-liquid in them, so they last way longer. ABAY pods have 1.6 milliliters and JUUL pods have 0.7 milliliters. Okay, another huge plus, if you vape, you know all about those gross burnt hits, right? I know you know what I'm talking about. But ABAYs have ceramic coils, so you won't ever get a burnt hit. I know. Amazing. Pretty much the most disgusting taste on earth is a burnt hit from a vape. So I'm just gonna point out the elephant in the room. On this channel we've been giving vaping quite a bit of flack, and that's largely to do with the picture the media has painted of vaping. I'm gonna blow some of your minds right now, but I used to smoke. I know you're probably judging me right now, but you should know that I haven't had a cigarette in almost a year, and that's because I started vaping. And since I quit smoking, I can honestly say I feel so much better health-wise. I'm not out of breath, I'm not phlegmy or like smelly, my teeth don't look weird, and like I just noticed that like my face is a little bit brighter, and like, you know, when you smoke, it just basically drains the life out of you, and since I started vaping, I don't notice any of that. Another amazing thing about vaping is it doesn't make you smell bad. That was a huge problem for me, just like coming in from outside and smelling like a cigarette. No. And you probably know this about me, I'm a singer. Do you know how hard it is to be a singer slash smoker? It's like really hard. Smoking is so bad for your voice, but since I started vaping, I've actually started recording music again as well, because my voice isn't as hoarse. So for those of you who are looking to quit smoking and start vaping, you should definitely start with ABAY. And I just so happen to have an amazing exclusive offer for you. For just $30, you can get the equivalent of 24 JUUL pods, which actually cost $96 if you went with JUUL. And if you take advantage of this offer, it's gonna save you over $70. So here's what you do to have to get the savings. You go to abay.com, enroll in auto shipping for 3 packs of pods using the coupon code InformOverload. And you get 4 things, okay? You get a free ABAY kit valued at $35, $10 off each pod pack and free shipping, and you get a portable charging case for 50% off. I'm honestly really excited to use mine. I'm getting kind of like tired of the vape that I have, so I'm probably gonna use mine like right after I'm done filming this video. So thank you for watching. Huge shout out to ABAY for sending us this awesome package. I honestly can't wait to try all of these flavors, like especially like I think mango. Maybe I'll try the mango one first. So I'm super stoked about that. Anyways guys, thanks for bearing with me for this little bit of a different video, and thank you for watching InformOverload.